Hi Gemini, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for your August the 22nd to August the 28th reading. Ayan po, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa ating live session sa kabilang channel po yan, that is Babaylan TV. No? Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. And kung hindi nyo po maabutan yung live sessions, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question po is answerable by yes or no. So Gemini, I wanted to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. Magsimula na tayo, no? Gemini, I feel like meron talagang nag-inspiration, no? Dito sa ating buhay lately. I feel like sabihin natin pwede rin itong buyo-buyo, no, ng mga kaibigan. Siguro nagsimula ito sa isang relasyon na okay, sabihin natin yung iba sa inyo nagkaroon ng feelings agad, no? Yung iba wala naman talaga, pero dahil sa buyo, no? Dahil sa mga tukso-tukso, parang sige, sasakyan ko nga, no? This could be you, this could be your person that I am reading, no? What I'm reading is the dynamic, by the way. So, you can switch the energies. So, ang nakikita natin dito, parang sinabi mo, paano ko naman siya magiging karelasyon? Kasi, siguro, masyadong malayo, no? Ang distansya ng kanilang, yung location ba, no? For a few numbers of you na-meet lang, or parang acquaintance na, no? Actually, what I am seeing in here, Gemini, parang pinagtatanggol natin or pinagtatanggol tayo, no? Ang maganda kasi dito, feeling ko may tao, no, na nagpo-protect sa barkada natin. Or parang nililibre din yung mga barkada natin. Hindi pa, I don't know kung umamin na. Wala pa dito. Pero ito yung taong nagpapa-impress, no, sa inyo. Siguro gusto niya talaga makuha yung attention mo, makuha itong pansin mo. With the 9 of Cups and the 8 of Cups, sabihin natin pwedeng nag-aabang itong taong ito, no? Inaabangan ka noon pa. You might be in a separation as of the moment with, can we say ex already? It doesn't matter how, kung gaano nakatagal, ano, itong experience na ito. But while you are in this connection with your ex, someone is already liking you, no? I feel like inabangan niya lang talaga, no? Ang maganda kasi hindi naman siya nanira ng relationship. Inantay niyang mawala. Kung mawawala, edi good, no? I'm not praying for it, pero I just want you to know, no, na you have a home in me, you have a shoulder to cry on. Ayan, no? With the Strength card and the 8 of Swords, I feel like hindi pa ito umaamin. Ayaw pa nitong aminin, no? Pero somewhat medyo ayaw aminin sa iyo, pero nakaamin na ito sa ibang tao. For a few numbers of you, kung umamin na ito, medyo nagtatago, nahihiya, no? Let's clarify the 8 of Cups. The clarification for the 8 of Cups, kasi parang feeling ko, ayaw din naman niyang maging panakip-butas, no? Ayaw din naman niyang maging, yun nga, rebound, ayan. With the 5 of Wands and the Knight of Cups. So parang dinadahan-dahan niya. So parang naging comfort ka or naging comfort mo siya while you may be in discussions with someone, while you may be in a fight, with your ex. Eight of Swords is clarified with the Nine of Swords and the Nine of Cups. So, ang nakikita na, angel number 999. Nandito nga ba? Did I saw the Nine of Cups, the Nine of Cups, and the Nine of Swords. Angel number 999. So, ang nakikita natin dito, I think that both of you somewhat understood each other already. Nai-stress lang siya kasi bakit ibang tao yung nagsabi, no? Syempre siguro may hiya, no? Ayaw din naman niyang isipin mo na they are taking advantage of the situation, no? Na, yun nga, nung nagkakagulo, the Five of Cups and the Three of Swords. Actually, nahihiya ito kasi ayaw niyang malaman mo pa dahil siguro mababa ang self-esteem nitong taong ito. Natatakot siya na ni-reject mo siya or i-reject mo siya, no? Ang worst kasi, parang ibang tao ngayon nagsabi with the Two of Pentacles and the Ten of Swords. Sana hindi ko sinabi, no? Itong feelings ko sa kanya parang nabunyag, no? Parang nawala yung pagka-mysterious niya, no? Sabihin natin, gusto niya kasi mag-remain as mysterious sana, no? Parang ngayon nahihiya siyang lumapit. With the Page of Swords, the Wise One, the Star, and the Queen of Wands. Actually, you're open, no? Dito sa taong ito, you probably also thought about this. There might be things na na-experience natin dito lang sa taong ito. I think ikaw mismo, gusto mong gumawa ng paraan para magkalapit kayo ulit, no? There is a mutual feelings. Wala pa mang sinasabi, no? Hindi pa man nag-aaminan. Pero what I am seeing in here is parang ikaw na itong huwag ka na mahiya, no? Aminin na natin sa isa't isa. Ayan, let's check the emotion. This could be your emotion or your person's emotion, no? I need some more time before I can come to you. And can you hear me whisper your name? So I feel like kahit meron kayong separations nito ni person, gusto niya na lagi mo siyang maalala, no? Or lagi ka rin niya naaalala. Ako'y namumula kasi yung hiya, no, nararamdaman ko. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Now, this could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. Taurus, Pisces, Sagittarius, Leo, no, Virgo, Scorpio, Pisces. Did I just say yes? Meron ng Leo, Virgo, meron na rin. So, Leo, Aquarius. So, this is your reading, Gemini. Again, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Smash the like button. Comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yan sa ating kabilang channel. That is Babaylan TV. No? Yan po ang ating unang channel na catered for our international audience. Ayan. So kung hindi nyo po yun maabutan, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito as long as the question po is answerable by yes or no. And Gemini, kilalang kilala nyo po yung sarili ninyo. No? Kung hindi kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot lang, dumiretso na po tayo doon sa ating description box. Sa description box na doon po yung link ng aking website. Ang bubungad sa inyo agad is yung question form. No? Sa question form, ibaba nyo lang ng konti. Meron doon mga QR codes and it has a designated label. So sa QR code, makikita niyo how much per question, the name, the number for your reference. I also created a promotion of 4 questions plus 1. Discounted na itong 4 questions, may libre pang isa. Take advantage of it. If you want to book a private reading, pakicheck na lang din po yung description box, no? I mean yung QR code. Naka-label naman siya. Ayan. Pero kung hindi kayo nagmamadali at gusto nyo pong sumali, no, or manalo ng free reading, paki-report na lang po yung mga fake accounts na nandiyan po, no, sa description box. Take a screenshot, then send it to the designated email. No, bubunot po tayo ng winner, no, for that private reading. Ayan. Kung hinahanap niyo po itong mga readings about exes, nandun po siya, no, sa ating Facebook. So kung hindi niyo mahanap, doon din sa website na yon, nandun po yung mga icons, no, ng social media accounts na meron tayo. Click nyo lang yung icons or yung logo, no? And then mareroute na po kayo doon sa Facebook, kung Facebook po. So this is your reading. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye, Gemini. You want the